Battery trays are a challenge for the design of the manufacturing line, especially if they are welded. Today we show you how FabWeld will help you to get the best design of your product line. This is the assembly plan of our battery tray. In the first geostation, the extruded profiles are welded to the bottom plate. In the sub-assembly, we weld bushes to the crossmember, and in the second geostation, we weld the outer crossmember to the bottom plate, and in the third geostation, we assemble the inner crossmember to our battery frame, and then we have it finished. FabWeld is developed to simulate multi-stage assembly processes for welded structures. It takes into account the clamp kinematic, the clamp deformation, and the deformation by clamp opening. Here you see the insertion of the crossmember, clamping of the plate back to nominal, but not everywhere we reach nominal, we have a remaining distortion. The distortion from station to station is cumulated, and we now are in the geostation 3. First, we clamp our assembly nearly back to nominal, then we insert the crossmember and clamp the crossmember. Let's have a look on our final result. This is a deformed structure and the displayed deformation in Z direction. After we have applied some improvement, especially in the first geostation, we can reduce significantly the deformation. FabWeld. Precise simulation without limitation.